My name na Ezugu Chukwudi, and as usual, I know dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother when sabi well as dey concern politics matter as e dey hot.
Good morning, our viewers. Welcome to As E Dey Hot. That political program where they informate now, where they search now, where they give now up-to-date details of different political activities where they happen for Obodo Nigeria. Today, as usual, no go different from every other regular days. Rather, you go the hot they go, rather than for it to cold, make it the hot they go. Because that is the only way we'll do it. We will put our government, our leaders to order. Say, now they get them right now, and they get them right. We go also open our own phone line when the time reach for now to contribute for the matter, any of the matters we will drop for grants. So that at least we will not say, at least we will contribute. The government, they hear our voice when that time reach. And bear in mind, so we get 3 solid telephone lines for now and 1 toll-free line. What do we toll-free line? Toll-free line, we say, we now go call, we now go talk, we now go express ourselves. The payment to go, we now leader for us, we will take care of that one. My name now never change, my name now Nkubi, and this is now As E Dey Hot.
Today, on top of As E Dey Hot, the topic we carry come, and one when we say, it don't put plenty fear of God for the mind of plenty Nigerians. Sake of say, he get one ogbonge organization wey they call Center for Social Justice. They come out yesterday based on the partnership wey they do with some kind ogbonge joy body for inside this world to look into election matter for inside Nigeria. Come out with their findings. They call this one the monitoring of campaign finance and use of state administrative resources for the 2015 presidential election. If we break them down for pidgin, this one means say, based on the way we say we take do election inside Obodo Nigeria for March 28th and April 11th, then chook eye on top to see the way we say political parties them take spend money. And the kind of result when they carry come out, now the one we say the thing they shock plenty people. The Center for Social Justice, based on their finding, come and talk say the 2 major political parties for inside Obodo Nigeria, APC, All Progressives Congress, and PDP, People's Democratic Party, say they spend about 11.65 billion naira for the election. Some other people they report say na 11.7, but based on say they thought say the other one after they use their calculator, the thing show say e be like say the thing they go out of range. They call it for 11.65 billion naira. But if we break them down, our law don't make them very very clear. Section 91, subsection 2 and section 3 of our 1999 constitution as amended put them down say for presidential, say you must not spend past 1 billion. For gubernatorial, you must not spend past 200 million. But the way when anything come there now, it can't be like say these 2 political parties, APC and PDP, they don't break the law. And if you break the law, you must suffer the punishment. Plenty people for Nigeria don't look this matter say even the punishment to punish those when we say break the law, the thing be like say it no make sense at all. Now we don't get new INEC chairman, Professor Mahmood Yakub, and in less than 30 days, elections go happen for 2 states for inside this Obodo Nigeria. We go still see this same thing for Kogi and Bayelsa, abi e go dey different. Now the one we carry come today on top of As E Dey Hot be that.
Well, this, however, will bring us the question. And what is this question? The question, how truly independent is independent National Electoral Commission, will be INEC? That is the question we they ask. Because I cannot imagine an electoral body will say their job now to do it and to monitor election, to ensure the election go well. On top of the laws that they put for granted, say you must not spend past a particular amount and make people come, the same people where they give that law to come violate them, come even triple and 4 times. Given that is multiplication, where we say where they overwhelming, and yet that they look them for eye, they don't even submit them prosecute or question them. And the question is, apart from what are the punishments where they even state and say now they go give these people? They say anybody will do it in where spend past a particular amount, say you get a particular fine where the political party spend a particular amount, say you get a particular fine where no pass 1 million or be how much where they go pay for this thing. The question can be 1 million naira out of waiting, out of the amount of money we don't spend. They can also give alternative of say you go spend like how many months for prison and all that. Okay, so far so good. What have we seen so far? This is an overwhelming sum where we say in real sincerity we know so we're supposed to take this money to do a few good things for our country, but yet we feel say yes, because of say we say this, I won't use the word desperate to say we won't enter into power. We dey spend money overwhelmingly. Money we supposed channel for better resources. We go add up to our development. We feel say yes, adding it up to election matter now in the appropriate. INEC, how truly independent on a day? Now this question would they ask to Nigerians, or would they also ask una?
This matter dey very shocking. Because if we reason this issue where you don't go a long way to show say our politicians them for inside this obodo Nigeria, irrespective of political affiliation, say when it come to say they won't win, they go do everything to ensure say
desperation. Now then they desperate to say they won't win.
If our law talk say we get financial ceiling, say okay, for campaign, may nobody spend past 1 billion.
That is for presidential.
For presidential and 200 million for gubernatorial. We can't see situation when we say, according to the records when they break down, they talk say the PDP, People's Democratic Party, say they spend 8.7 billion, and the APC also spend 2.9 billion. Who could be? I don't know. Say APC too self. There's a bit spend money like this.
No. But you see, but the thing is, they spend money, no doubt. But you can also say, una way that they in power at that point. No, and this camera, I know they talk say whether anybody they guilty or anybody they guilty or anybody. Two of them they guilty. They're supposed to.
But you get the people.
Have our way. Supposed carry Ken, beat them. You know, say make no mind, make no know.
But we go start to beat from somewhere.
We go start to a bit from the people who spend past.
No, we go start to beat from the people who say they be first for the letter of the alphabet.
Okay, if that is the case,
make we beat them first.
We go beat them first. But then make also bear in mind say the higher the money we spend, the higher your punishment. We go first beat people where the alphabet start from A. Then once don't beat them, maybe give them like 20 strokes. Now when we say now multiply, we'll give them like 70, 100 strokes.
Make we can't look the people when their own start from A. Even though we don't talk say this thing, now very, very bad thing. And now something when we say we not supposed they see. It's very, very important. Make we begin to take steps to correct them. Waiting be the steps so we go use correct them. Nobody if he come and talk say now inside their pocket, then deep hand
for
spend that money. That money when they spend, now our money. It's very, very obvious.
There are things we know.
And we because some of the repercussions when we suffer today, now because of that recklessness during the electioneering campaign. Take for example, they talk say about 29 states inside this country, their accounts don't read. And our federal government, the first responsibility when we say face them as they enter, now how to provide bailout for states. We don't see states when we say then the whole salary is up to 13, 14 months.
Thank you very much.
If the whole salary 13, 14 months and during election you get money to spend, where the money come
all
from?
All the government workers for their states, they never even give them £1, but we don't even know how far that one don't go for now.
Exactly. And we know the state when we say the governor, even though he no fit pay, he can't they blame person say na the allocation when they give and when no complete na make I no fit pay, yet they spend money for election.
We also know the governors wey say instead of make them provide better things for their people, they go prefer to say they won't buy stoves, they won't do it, they won't buy ram, goat and this thing. Give people say empowerment and all that.
We know the government when be say even the one when they collect, when they give them say make they use them take repair, they say they want higher prayer warrior.
Also know the people wey say them buy cows and this thing, give their commissioners, say make them take do salad and all that.
We know the government when we say if he come out, he dey be like born again, but inside even hand when he shake, he put the poster everywhere. We know. To continue. No, continue. Shebi you know.
No, you know say when
I know you know.
Continue. I know first say that. I don't just speak on. I dey even tackle my own people.
You dey tackle your people.
I dey tackle my own people.
Shebi we know.
When I talk say we know. I know person wey say.
Me too. I know.
You owe people
as
money.
You know, I know. You are knowing. I'm knowing.
I expected you to just talk your own.
We know people. Excuse me. I want to be knowing my own knowing and be going.
If you are knowing your own knowing, know your own knowing. Me, I am knowing my own knowing and say that chip it your own knowing.
I want to. Okay, let me talk my own knowing.
Don't extend your knowing to my knowing. It's as simple as that. If that is what you want, make us stick to our knowing.
You go.
I go talk my own knowing. You go talk your own knowing.
You dey talk pidgin, they confuse people. Come add English join. What's all the knowing? You don't talk your knowing to my knowing.
No, na English. Now they go understand. Our viewers go understand. Stick to your own knowing. Why I stick to my own knowing? Your own knowing is different from my own knowing. It's as simple as that.
But Unkobi, let's more talk this thing.
More talk and you're supposed to talk.
If indeed we get country where we say all of us they come and talk say this country, we won't make anything when anybody they do, irrespective of the position where you dey, make you they follow the law. Then we suppose start from this very big example where we say this our politicians they don't set to begin to hold people accountable. Our law talk and say anybody will flout the law, say okay, 1 billion ceiling, you spend pass am, say 1 million naira fine. That 1 million naira fine no be like anything because if you spend 1 billion for election, now be say 1 million no be anything, or 12 months imprisonment. This government, indeed, our political class must show say we want make we be say this change we don't see now real change. Because if in the same year when we conduct 2 big elections, presidential and gubernatorial, people they come out with their findings, they talk say 11.65 billion that we spend, and we still they go meet federal government for bailout, and we still get civil servants who never collect their salary, and we get roads when we say erosion don't chop, and we get insecurity problem, and we get power problem.
Hey.
And we say this our politician, we suppose lie all of them down.
Flog them, even 12 even small selves. Hey!
Lie all of them down.
Chukudi, you know,
they need to answer questions.
This same body, this Center for Social Justice, some people go to say, where this body be? How they suddenly come up with these statistics? I mean, this investigation. Make also tell them, say, so these people don't they conduct these things, because
true.
we know very well, say, as of December last year, they come up with the under and say about say PDP as at that point. Don't spend like 3.5 billion naira on just publicity alone. APC spend about 1.42 billion naira on publicity alone. Just publicity alone.
True.
And subsequently, at that time of the election, on the approach, more money they go. We don't sum up to this 11.6 something billion B. Not B. When normally, in all ramification, in all sincerity, we know say these two parties no supposed to spend past 2 billion naira. 1 billion for you, 1 billion for you.
That they even they spend. Waiting that they spend when they go spend reach 1 billion. This one don't show say many of the people when we say we elect to represent us that they connive to run this country down.
That is
because I never even in fact the one when come even worsen the situation I say some state governors come out talk say oh in order to support the election, take this money.
Imagine. When we say money, we say you are on your state. You dey run short of cash. You dey talk say your state don't get money. Yet, you fit still see money where you go fit take support a particular cause. Tell me what is that mission where you get behind your back? Where that way get where make you say you want invest. It got be like investment.
You see, we need to now where we they come to?
We know when the PDP do their own this thing launch campaign launch. We know the people will carry some section of people will carry 4.something billion. To them be power sector and power led by one Oga Jerry Ghana of one time.
Okay, as you don't talk PDP, you talk the second one.
Which other second one?
Which one be you saw that second one? No. Which one be you saw that second one? If you beat Peter, beat Paul, you don't call PDP or you call the other people.
I'll give you the floor. Talk am.
Not give me any floor. Because as you get mad, you stop saying people talk the other one. Make it Uncle be fair. Be fair.
I'm being fair now.
The people will collect money from small picking cup. Say small picking say they contribute. Mama will be say they do mama put. They collect money. They collect money from her. No. If you be political office holder and you do work, people go see the work where you do. They go talk say they will vote for you.
Now what do they talk about?
Why you can't talk one, not talk the other one? No, the time say now what you they talk about.
I see the one now. Which
one be you see the one?
This young man. I don't know what your mood is like.
Which one be say you see the one?
My mood is almost at the same range with your mood.
Your mood is your mood. My mood is my mood.
No, your mood.
No.
At this point in time, we don't say we don't understand the same language now.
Now you don't understand my language because I'm speaking the language of truth. I'm speaking the language of truth.
I am also speaking the language of these people.
My language.
They come out and mass. Can't say they won't vote. Can't vote. In the end, see what their leader they take us to behind the curtain. They talk say
it's very important make we establish some facts. Number one fact be say we get people where we say they don't break the law.
They don't break the law, yes.
They don't break the law because as we talk earlier,
yes.
Section 91, subsection 2 and 3 of our constitution states clearly say 1 billion presidential, 200 million gubernatorial. So the way when with the report where people don't bring out, some people don't break the law. They never they guilty because the people when we say they're supposed to do their investigation
they never
conduct
they
go do the investigation and ensure say the thing come out through.
But you could
for this election at the first one when we say
investigation or no investigation. it sure said they will ever do an investigation. They are not doing any investigation. They just give us this body. I won't believe say this body is more like an independent body. We say they attach to any governmental this thing.
Very
That's why
true.
they don't carry out the investigation. Come
I
out with
agree.
these findings.
I agree.
Because ordinarily, what in INEC they do? Why they call independent? That is the question. What defines an independent body?
True.
If you don't get the right to say, okay, this is what we want to do.
Very, very true.
This is how we want to do. Anybody violate our own law, see the punishment. Even the punishment we don't outline. How many people don't go 12 months in prison? On top of this money where they say they don't spend so far.
Exactly. If we get situation where we say states now don't come, they look up to federal government and say rescue us. Come they complain say as oil fall, they don't get money. The allocation when they drop. Meanwhile, for the election year when we dey hear this kind of money, we need to see action. Some people need to hold their ear, do frog jump for this thing wey don happen for this our country. If indeed we dey talk say we get change for this country, we must begin to see this change.
We go see the change because of course now collective.
Of course, which one be of course? We don't see anything. Of course.
Listen to me.
As these people don't come out, I expect to see action.
Listen to me. Still under the same government, we don't see people they come out to find this. Let us see what will follow suit.
We don't see the one when they write finding for. We don't still see any finding.
Let us see what will follow.
What are you finding? They find something against. God will Akpabio do everything when they do. They find something. The one when don't do anything, they don't find any. They don't find anything. We are finding. What are you finding? Wait,
we started this note on a very beautiful, awesome note.
Now you come we say when we talk, me and you agree say we go talk this way when the team be. You come here and begin to talk say we are finding.
I never deviate from my talk. I never shift from my talk. My talk is still my talk. It is still on that same track where me and you agree so we go talk about. So why all this sudden attack on me?
See, what are they talk be say? This thing na something when we say suppose they give everybody for this country sleepless nights. Because 11.5 billion. Okay, make we check now. For our law, you get period when we say we go start campaign. So basically now, this 11.5 billion now something when they spend within a particular period of time. Our law been talking and say, okay, if INEC not to say, oh yeah, on your mark, get set, go. May nobody start campaign.
Exactly.
Even though somehow, some people through freestyle, they don't already begin the campaign. But it is very, very evident. Say, people don't break the law and they must pay for it. And this government, when not talk, say they won't bring change, they must start for them.
Because Oga Agbef, when they even call us right now, believe in this same change we won't bring. Oga Agbef, all the way from Mark Hardy, good morning. Oga Agbef, good morning.
Oga Agbef, you did here?
I did.
Yes, talk to us, Oga Agbef.
I know they want you. Who stop it, they guys?
We dey discuss the Center for Social Justice wey come and talk say APC and PDP spend 11.65 billion for this election wey pass so.
So, hello?
We dey hear you. Continue.
Hey,
Agbef.
Abeg, since you don't get the major story, wetin they talk about, abeg, try call back. Abeg, we get Michael all the way from Lagos, the city of Lagos. Good morning, Michael.
Yeah, good morning, Mr. Chukudi Ankobi.
Good morning.
How una dey?
We dey fine.
Don't take small. I say make a call today where I get chance. This una matter today when they talk. So for me, I look at like na reckless and wasteful spending. What they say our politicians don't they do long before now. Money we say they're supposed to use and develop the state and infrastructure, and they use, they do all those ones, and which is not good. But the other thing again, we say I go like digress a little bit. You see, this delay of the present government not to keep the ground running so that things would be at least would they happen.
Yeah.
Because like now people they suffer, economy don't stiff, everything they hard. And the issue of these so-called ministers, they come in, they never give them portfolio so that they start work. And the president is on his own part again. He decided to say that there's a certain pending issue, which I look at it he said there are some ministers who be say they will appoint, they will get portfolio. For me, I look at it, say ever since there are some other ministers who be say they appoint without portfolio, like the Minister of State. That Minister of State now title. Because if you look at it, wouldn't be the Minister of State they do. And anytime we say they attach portfolio to any minister, now money they waste. Because the money that they pay them as allowance every year, that money they reach about in millions. Forget aside from his own salary, 8 workers every day, other expenses. What they try to talk, we say, government not supposed to be run on recurrent or overhead expenses. If budget for a year be about 100%, the government not supposed to use about 75% of that particular budget. They run current expenditure or overhead expenses, whereby 30 or 25% now go remain for other infrastructure and development of the state. It is not possible. You know, there are duplication of functions where we say some ministry, they do the same thing with other ministry. Minister of Education, Minister of Information and Communication. For me, I look at it as not the same thing. So if the government, if the president say he want to appoint some minister, because the constitution say every state must surely bring one particular person. But for me, I look at say now wasteful spending. We say government go enter into.
Michael, thank you very much for this your important contribution.
They reject appointment. They will say this appointment is not juicy. It's not. Now what they will tell them they can't do with that juicy position.
Michael, thank you very much for this your important contribution.
Thank you very much.
Your point, we don't know time. Quickly, we go rush, enter inside this break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue to our put on top of this our discussion and stay concerned. The Center for Social Justice will come and talk, say APC and PDP for the 2015 general election spend over 11.65 billion naira. No go anywhere when they come back and still ask in the heart.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.